Happy weekend. Merry Christmas to all. I get up late because I sleep late last night. Maybe it's already 1 or 2 o'clock. I still want to sleep, but I cannot sleep anymore. That's why I get up. I need to drink coffee. I want to have sunlight also. That's why I wake up. I'm lazy to go walking. That's why I stay in the balcony. Just tied up a little bit the living room. Later, I'm gonna walk now going to my friend's house for our safety. That's the time I gonna exercise walking. You wanna see the sun there? That's the sun. That's in the back of me. Good morning. I'm drinking coffee here in the balcony.